Hi, this is Raya. I'm animal lover and I'm into rescue since 6 years in India, and last 2 years which I started working with PAL group. I want to talk about yesterday message which someone shared in the group and talk about me and about my activity and question me unnecessary about something which is not related to her at all. But anyways, because of respect which I have for all the member of the group and ACP sir and all the admins, which they know me very well. We work to each other at least 2 years. Just I want to tell what is the story. I'm into rescue. She shared some video in the group that these puppies are dying in Raya's house, which all was nonsense, and she was lying, absolutely lying, because I was shocked. She was sending my puppies, which they are with me since I think 15 days old, and right now they are almost 6-7 months, and all recovered, vaccinated, and ready for adoption. But because there is no one to adopt them, they are staying with me. One of them was Ranveer, which is here, and one of them was Leela, which she said both puppy they died, this, that. We spent 40K for him. This is Leela, which she shared her picture in the beginning when she was with me. She had a 2-leg fully crashed. Dr. Dave asked for 60,000 for surgery, and some family they called me, asked for my help because they had financial issue. I said it's okay, no worry, I will treat him with Dr. Omesh, will plaster, open plaster, and will treat him. We try to save his leg. So I think around 2 months we start every day open plaster, changing, and she recovered, vaccinated, and almost 7 months right now, 6-7 months I feel. So and she is very loving girl, and she's supposed to lose both leg, and right now she has both leg and happy and living and enjoying her life and waiting for some good family to adopt her. And Ranveer, Kadi, can you bring Ranveer? And she sent some video of Ranveer that she is saying she also died, this, that. And Ranveer was front of my eyes, and I was shocked. I don't know what should I tell her. She was talking some mad lady, some mad people, someone lose their brain, lose their, I don't know what should I say. I really don't know. I was shocked, and I was very angry yesterday, and I want to give her answer back, and what I prefer to be quiet, wait for some time, and talk with a proof, because I'm not a person, even I talk about something without any proof. I have proof for every single thing which I'm talking about. Every single thing, if I open my mouth, I say something, I have proof for that. And I'm not scared of anyone in this world except God. That's it. So this is Ranveer also. Oh, the story of Ranveer is very interesting. I was for some dog in Parel Hospital for a post-mortem. So I went to see how many puppies are there. I see around 5 small puppies, which they were less than 1 month. Ranveer was one of them. He was around 3 weeks. Recently, he opened his eyes, and someone dumped Ranveer in a Parel hospital outside. So I asked the doctor, how can I adopt these 5 puppies? Because if they stay back in a Parel hospital, they will catch infection and they will die. Already maybe some of them they catch, but let's try to see. So that time I spoke, and I request her to give me these 5 puppies to take home and take care, because they cannot stay here. So Ranveer is one of them. And 2 puppies already had distemper and they passed away after 2 weeks. And Ranveer and 3 are still with me grown up, vaccinated, and ready for adoption. So this is about these two videos which she shared in the beginning. And she talked about Black Puppy and she talked about Oreo. Black Puppy is Anita. Most of the members, I think they know Anita also. We work a lot to each other. We are working for dogs and puppy only in Slums area. We'll treat them, we'll vaccinate them, we'll take care of them. So Anita called me, Raya, there are 15 puppy in some slum area near my office in Oshiwara. Can you come please and do vaccine them, because this area is very dangerous. No puppy they survive here. I said okay, of course. I went almost 3-4 hours. We clean ear of maggots, ticks, fleas, spray them, give them deworming, make them ready to after 1 week we'll vaccinate them. So in middle of work, suddenly some guy brings some small puppy, I think less than 1 month. He said, this madam, this puppy has wound in a leg. So then I see wound is very big and puppy also is very big. I said, okay, don't worry, I give deworming and I take him home because he is not gonna survive in road with this wound. He will catch infection. He said, okay, after treatment, after finishing our work, I kept him in my car and came home. So what happened, when I came home, I have all the message, everything, everything is written in my WhatsApp. I messaged, once we reach home, I kept him in bed. I have seen he has loose motion and little bit blood is in loose motion. Immediately I called Dr. Umesh. I said, doctor, he has blood in loose motion. He said, don't worry, it's because of deworming. Most of the puppy after deworming, they will get little bit blood in loose motion. So I said, okay, and I gave him food, water, and he was in a bed. Next day I had flight to go out of Mumbai. I kept someone in home to take care of all the dogs, and my maid who is working and cleaning home also have been there. So she was there and I fly to the Bangalore. So what happened after 24 hours, next day which I was in the middle of my work, that lady called me that I cannot manage, I have to leave. So immediately I booked my flight and I tried to find someone else actually, I couldn't find. I booked my flight, I came back to find someone, keep, and again go back to finish my work. So I came back immediately, which Mumbai was full storm. When in the beginning of storm, early morning I reached Mumbai in 8 o'clock. So I came and I see puppy has loose motion and blood is more in loose motion. What happened? I get ready quickly to go to Dr. Nilima to show puppy. I was getting ready to go to Dr. Nilima. Samantha, same lady, which she put message in the group and questioning me about what she don't have any idea about it and she don't have knowledge, even 1% about what is the difference between viral infection and bacterial infection. And she is questioning me, and this is very funny for me, you know, actually. So what happened? She called me, Raya, my shelter, everything broke. Dogs are in the rain. Can you give me beds? And your car. I wanna change the location of dog to somewhere safe. And I have around 10 dogs and some bed to keep some dog in some corner of shelter. I said, okay, no problem, come. She came. She took my car. She said, I will talk to Dr. Nilima and I will ask what to give to the dog. You follow the prescription. I said, okay. She talked. Dr. Nilima said, give this. And she dropped me in a pharmacy and I got the medicine. I came, I give treatment. Puppy slept, she don't eat food, and she started after 2-3 hours, she started vomiting. So what is the sign of when puppy has blood in loose motion and vomiting? 2 things, distemper, parvo. Both are viral infection and very similar symptoms they have, which sometimes doctors also, vet also, they cannot tell exactly this is distemper or parvo. Immediately I messaged Anita, I said this is the story. He said maybe distemper and maybe parvo, that place is very dirty maybe. What can I do more? I give medication. He start vomiting. He start back to back loose motion and full blood, which is symptoms of parvovirus, which some people, some doctors call gastro. It was middle of night and already I have given all the medication and I couldn't do anything else. So he also slept. I just cleaning him till morning and try to make him warm and taking care of him. That is only things which I could do that time. And in the morning when I woke up, I have seen he passed away. And I knew that he is gonna pass away. He is not gonna survive because there is no chance of survival in parvovirus, especially in 1 month old puppy. There is no chance, impossible. So in the morning, I called Samantha. I said, where is my car? I need my car. I want to go for vaccination and this puppy passed away. I want to take him to Oshiwara to give to Rahman for the body. Then when she came to know that puppy passed away, she started like a mad woman, start shouting, what did you to the puppy? She started talking nonsense, screaming, very bad. I was shocked what to tell. I caught phone. And she started messaging me, you are a dog killer, you are this, you are that, karma will come to you. I really don't know what to tell her. I just tell her, okay, anyone do wrong, it's okay, let karma. You don't know anything and you talk just nonsense and you don't want to accept and listen to anyone. I don't want to argue with you because it's not my level to argue with people, such people like you. So I blocked her, everything. Finished. I don't want to disturb my mind. Everything finished and we went for vaccination and then I shared post in the group and she started messaging about this in the group and talking some stupid things and some lies, actually so many information which based is in lie. What is the story of Oreo? Whoever is in the group from the beginning of lockdown, he knows about the story of Oreo. Oreo was 1.5 month puppy which they shared in the group. She had very bad leg fracture and they asked for a help. Always I reply if I can do something. I said, okay, let's show to Dr. Dave. Some doctors said amputation. We should do amputation, which I am very sensitive about puppy when someone say amputation. I really don't like it. I said, let's show her once to Dr. Dave and let's see what he is telling. I took her to I asked them to bring her to me. I took her to Dr. Dave. I consulted with her 6,100. I paid only for blood tests, X-ray, sono, all checkup. I have all the bills, which I will share in the video also. I will show you, I will share. So immediately I called in the reporter. I said, Dr. Dave is saying 28,000 for a surgery. We should put 2 plates in 1 leg because full leg was crushed. 28,000. Then what I did, what they said we cannot afford this much money. Please bring the puppy back. We'll send him like this. She will heal in her own. I was really getting angry that what is this? I cannot do this. It's okay, forget about it. I will treat him. I will manage somehow and I will do that. So I shared some posts in my Instagram, which only time I shared found appeal in my Instagram page. Everybody knows, all my friends and everyone in the group who are following me in Instagram. I put Oreo's picture and I share all the details and everything. I asked for people to let's help each other to this puppy don't lose her leg. So Samantha see the message and she messaged me and asked for me that I will help you in all this. I said okay, and she helped me. I was really appreciated since 2 years. I told her, thank you so much for that time you helped me. I'm really appreciative. I'm not such person who do something good for me. I give her bad, or I'm always thankful to anyone who do something nice to me. So this is the story of Oreo. 2 years before we did surgery, I shared all the details in my Instagram, all the bills, and I have all the entire record. Each and every single rupees which we spent for Oreo, I have record. It's in Dr. Dave's clinic also. It's with me also. I have all the picture record. So after 2 years, which Oreo was with me and fully vaccinated and sterilized her also, she was ready for adoption, but no one wanted her, and she was suffering in home. Not only Oreo, Mushi, Hero, two other puppy which they had the same problem. Mushi had a hand fracture, which he also was about to hand amputation, and Hero had a jaw fracture, which he also had very bad situation. All recovered, happy, healthy, vaccinated, sterilized, and ready to go and live their own life free. So I'm not a psycho animal lover. I think actually I was, but right now I changed. I was thinking always about animals like how we human used to live. I wanted to give them luxury things, luxury life, luxury room, luxury stuff. But somehow I came to know my friend, my family, they try to explain me they want freedom. They don't want all this. They want to live their own life free. They don't understand luxury things and all this. They don't know what about this house, how you design for them. They want to go and play and be in the nature, which I understand. I really understand, because they start chewing walls, chewing things. They feel they are in jail. I can record that room which Oreo, Hero, and Mushi were there. I can show you how they try to open some hole and go out. So what I did, I have Anita, my friend, lives opposite Lokhandwala Back Road Garden. There is a big, huge garden in Lokhandwala Back Road, which there is a watchman there, and my friend also, she's taking care of all dogs in that area, feeding and everything. I spoke to Anita, I said I wanna keep these 3 of my child there. I am coming for 1 month, 2 months, however it takes time to get used to that area. Please, you also in the night feed them and take care, and I used to pay to the watchman to take care of them. What happened after 1.5 months, every day from Malat, I used to go to where? Oshibara, Lokhandwala Back Road, to see what they are doing. I used to feed them, buy ice cream with them, play with them. I have entire record in my Instagram, in my mobile. Watchman and so many other people also, they are there. They know me very well, because I'm long time I'm going here and there in that area, and most of the people, they know me. After 1.5 months, Oreo in the middle of night came out of garden somehow, I don't know how, and met with accident. Immediately watchman called me. I reached in a spot. I took him to Crown Hospital. I tried my best. I told doctor, do whatever you can. I just want to save her. They tried their best. I don't want to say how much I spent money. Money is not an issue, because she was my child. But important, my happiness for me was Oreo, Mushi, and Hero happiness. When I see Oreo and Hero are happy, I was super happy, because I want them to be free and happy in the garden. And Lokhandwala Back Road Garden is best location for dogs, which they can live happily there. So in the morning when we came back from hospital, because of brain injury, she passed away. Doctor told me, you cannot do anything. We did everything. Only you should wait till 24 hours. And if she survived, we'll start medication, right? Already we did all the medication. And she passed away. What could do anymore? What? If anyone, even Samantha, can do better than me, please do it. Why you don't take any dog to your home? Why your shelter gets spoiled? Why she didn't take all the dogs in her home? She also has 3 BHK big house, 124/7 maid. Why she is not taking? Why she sent all her case to me? Can you bring Leah? These 2 puppies are Samantha's puppies. She called me, she asked for a help. She dumped puppy there. One of them had both leg fracture and distemper, and one of them was so weak, full worms, skin infection, and she left. I did everything. I never called her to tell what happened, why you are not coming and asking for your case. After 4 months where what puppy was with me and cured and vaccinated fully, I called her 10 times, come and take the puppy back to her own location. She said, okay, let's go. We came back to the location to leave puppy there. We have seen all the puppy, her brother and sister of this puppy, they passed away. Only the puppy survived from that location is this puppy which is with me. This one was a small puppy, 2 months old, with 2 leg fracture and distemper. Why she sent it to me? Why she called me? Why she never paid for her bill? She is not coming to take him. She doesn't have shelter. She doesn't have home. But she is not taking him. What is her problem with me? So this is the entire story, which because of not myself, because myself I don't care about anyone. My duty is to help them, and whomever wants to help me in this way, they know me very well and they are with me. And whomever wants to talk shit and do shit, let them do, I don't care. Because of respect for admins and some member of the group, I was thinking I should explain about all this nonsense and dirty message which shared about me with the proof, because I don't talk without any proof. And I'm really sorry for all these misunderstanding and all this drama which happened. And I'm requesting all 10 members of group, PAL group, which I am right now joined. Please share all your experience with me. I'm requesting you. I'm not scared of anyone. I'm really honestly requesting everyone, bad or good experience. If I did mistake, wrong to you, anything, please share in the group with proof. I'm ready to answer everyone. I'm to face all my mistake which I did. If I killed your puppy, if I killed your dog, if I did something to your dog, if you send me dog and you see something wrong with me, if I ask you for something wrong, anything good or bad, please share in the group. I'm ready to see, and everybody want, I'm requesting. If you want, you can share the other groups also. Ask to other groups to share with Raya's experience, whomever good or bad. Thank you so much for watching me, and really sorry for all this. Bye.